I want to apologize to my wife. My wife has told me numerous times when I try to apologize to her and talk to her when she's mad, just get away from me. Mm-hmm. I can't look at you right now. Just go into a different room. We'll be fine. But I need like a minute away from you. I need I don't know how long it is. I need time away from this guy. And I know he talks at the winter meetings, and I do Ricos in which I react to him. Even his voice pisses me off right now.
The man from Milwaukee.
Whoa. Thank you, A-Rod. I've been missing that. That's who he is now.
Right.
And I'm not saying you're dead to me. I'm not saying I hate you. I'm saying right now I hate you. Like right now in this moment. Doesn't mean tomorrow I won't put my arm around you and say, all right, David, let's get back to work.
Right. Well,
I still trust you. But right now, hearing his voice and that I'm smarter than you sound and that, well, I don't know, we factor this in. I don't want to hear it.